Hello, students. Good afternoon to one and all who all are present here and the viewers who are watching this session. So, this is one of the most important session for this academic year, which is being organized from Evershine Coaching Center, Bangalore, for the subject mathematics, and this is the last final revision for your upcoming board exam. So, in this session, we are going to cover most important questions such as passing package, scoring package, and which are the 100% sure expected question for your academic board exam. The one who have not yet started your preparation, or else the one who have already started up with the preparation and they are yet confused like what to study and what not to study. So, this is a session for those students who have such type of doubts. Even if you have studied or if you have not yet studied, for both the one, this session will be very helpful. So please take down the notebook, keep a pen along with you and jot down the points and also simultaneously start solving the problems which we are going to share with you here. Let's begin. First, we'll focus on the passing patterns. I hope might be your teachers also have suggested you regarding this, like what are the important questions, such type of things. But still, once again, let me to repeat. Okay, as if you are going to start today is your first session. Is this clear? Carry. The first and foremost, the important part in mathematics is your theorems. Please make a note. This is the passing package theorem. Altogether, there are expected four theorems. Okay, such as the first one is A similarity criteria theorem, which comes in the chapter triangles. And the second theorem is BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem, that is also called as Thales theorem. So these are the two theorems which comes from the chapter triangles. And then we have one more theorem from the chapter circles. Let me call that as a perpendicular theorem or tangent theorem. Okay, so let me to here name it as in short as a tangent theorem. And the fourth, that is tangent theorem is the other one. Here let me consider this as a perpendicular theorem. And next, one more theorem we have that is called as tangent theorem. Understood? A line drawn to a circle from an external point. Understood? So what it does, it touches only one point. It means that the theorem could be asked for you like this. Prove that a line drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. All the length of the tangents drawn to a circle from an external point are equal. In any of the order, the theorem can be asked for you to prove. Now, one hidden story is here. What is that hidden story? Till now, this question was not expected, but this year, the chances are high the questions can be asked for you. What is that? I'll let you know. A similarity criteria theorem. Till now, we have seen that this theorem was asked only to prove. Am I right? Sir. Is this clear? They have asked you to only to prove the theorem. They used to give statement and they will ask you to prove the given statement. Okay, but this year the chances are there they can ask you to write the statement also for 1 mark. State A similarity criteria. This is for 1 mark. Understood? Angle similarity criterion you have to state. They may ask you to state this. Write the statement of this theorem. And BPT many times they have asked to prove and also they have asked state and prove. Both the things they have asked. Okay. So here also you need to remember the proof. Along with that, you need to remember the statement of this theorem. Similarly, perpendicular theorem statement you need to practice. And even tangent theorem statement also you need to practice along with proving the theorem. along with proving the theorem. These all the four theorems you need to remember the statement and along with that how to prove that statement. So this is one of the most important question. This is your gate pass to clear this year final board exam. So whenever you start your preparation, it's my belief, my experience which I'm sharing. It's not compulsory that even you need to start in the same order. It depends upon each and everyone's style of teaching and learning. So here, my method of teaching is completely different than others. What I believe to pass or else to score, no need to go chapter wise, no need to solve each and every work example at this time, at this moment. You no need to solve each and every work example and each and every exercise problems of your class notes. So here is the point and here is the time where you need to focus on certain things which is important and you need to eliminate those things which is not important for your examination point of view. Done. So these are the four theorems you need to understand how to state and also how to prove. In case if you have any doubts how to solve this statement or how to solve this theorem, in the description of this video, the end of this video, in the description, I'll be going to give you the link. In that link, I'll just share with you the videos how to prove these theorems. Since we have very less time at this moment, I cannot show you the proof of each and every theorem. Whichever the theorem you are finding difficult, you can just in the description click the link, watch the video, start practicing for those all theorems. But for examination point of view, if we have to tell from these four theorems, you can expect a minimum of 7 marks, maximum of 8 marks. So these theorems consist of the marks 7 marks to 8 marks. The order either you can get 4 plus 3 or you may get 5 plus 3. So any of the chances are there, but 7 marks is sure from this section. Only 2 questions you may get 7 marks. Next, coming back to the next topic. The second topic, what you need to practice to clear or else to pass this exam. After theorems, the next method is graphical method. That is graph. So this is one of the most important question. They may ask you to plot the graph or solve the given pair of linear equations graphically. Okay. So this question you may expect for 4 marks. Okay. So let me solve one basic question based on this theorem. Based on this topic. Make a note. Find the solutions. Make a note of this question. Find the solution of the given pair. Find the solution of the given pair of linear equations by graphical method. By graphical method. Take down the equations. X plus y is equals to 6. And second equation, 2x plus y is equals to 10. Okay. Even though you may know the method or you don't know the method, I'm not sure, but I'm going to show you at least minimum 2 to 3 problems in different variations how to solve the graphical method problem. If you don't know, please learn the strategy, how to plot the graph and how to solve the given equations in an easiest way. So whenever you get the question, please make a note of the same equations once again in the answer sheet. Now this is the answer which I am going to share with you now. Once again you write in the answer script x plus y is equals to 6 and 2x plus y is equals to 10. Let me say this as equation 1 and let me consider this as equation 2. Now as we can see here, there are two sets of equations are given, such as x plus y is equals to 6 and second equation is 2x plus y is equals to 10. Now first let me to write the first equation. X plus y is equals to 6. Then write x and then write y. At least find two values. No need to find each and every values are like 3 or 4 values. Why I am telling you to get only two values? Because if you want a straight line, if you want to draw a straight line, we need at least minimum 2 points. If these 2 points are there, this is sufficient to draw a straight line. If you are going to join these 2 points, definitely you will get a line. It's not compulsory that you need 3 lines or 4 points to join a line. If you want a straight line, at least minimum 2 points is 2 points is must required. Is this clear? So here we are going to find the two values. Okay. Now as you can see here, the question is x plus y is equals to 6. X plus y is equals to 6. X plus y is equals to 6. For this, we have to draw a table. One table draw ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ x ಮತ್ತೆ y ಬರಿಬೇಕು. First step, let the question be anything. Let the given equation be anything. First assume the value of x as 0. Assume what? The value of x is 0. Now in this equation, which equation? Which equation? This. In this equation, x plus y is equals to 6. In this equation, substitute the value of x as 0. What we have to substitute? The value of x. The value of x 0. Then what happens? 0. X is 0 plus y is equals to 6. 0 plus y is equals to 6. When x is 0, we are getting the value of y 6. Remember, whenever you assume any value of x, the value of y, always it should be a positive integer. जो भी हम x की वैल्यू अज्यूम करेंगे, ये जरूरी नहीं कि x की वैल्यू 0 ही लेना है. It's not compulsory that you have to take the value of x is 0 only. You can take any value. But here we are assuming as 0. We are going to start from 0. Is this clear? Assume the value of x is 0. So what is the value of y we get here? 6. If x is 0, then y is 6. Remember, assume if we get value of y as 1 by 2, you may get fraction sometimes. Then please don't consider this. At that time, you can change the value of x as 1. Try for the next value. Always you need an integer. जो भी हम value x की assume करेंगे, value of y always it should be an integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or it will be -1, -2, -3. But it cannot be a fraction. Don't consider fraction values. Don't consider decimal values. Always consider integers. Is this clear? We always need to consider integers. Now, value of x is how much? The value of x is 0. Then the value of y is 6. Similarly, now we do the opposite of that. Now we will assume the value of y as 0. What do we assume? Value of y as 0. x की वैल्यू 0 assume करें तो इसमें substitute किए. अब इधर में y की वैल्यू 0 assume करेंगे. Then what happens? X remains x only plus what is y? What is y? 0. Y is 0 is equals to 6. X plus 0 x is equals to 6. When y is 0, then x is 6. If y is 0, x is 6. Now we have got the coordinate of x comma y, that is 0 comma 6. The first coordinate is 0 comma 6 and the second coordinate is 6 comma 0. Now we have got two coordinates. These two coordinates are required to draw a straight line. To draw a straight line, how many coordinates are required? Minimum 2 coordinates are required. Maximum 3, 4 also it is well and good. Not bad. But Minimum 2 is, it is must. Any doubts? Did you understood the first table? How did we plot? We have assumed x value 0. We got the value of y. Again, we have assumed value of y 0. We got the value of x. Similarly, come back to the next equation. 2x plus y, that is equals to 10. Now again, what we need to do? Same steps we need to follow for the second equation. Again, draw the table of x and y. Let me draw a table of x and y. Okay. Now, let me assume the value of x is 0. Where we need to assume? In this. 2x plus y is equals to 10. In this equation, let me assume the value of x as 0. 2 x is 0 plus y is equals to 10. 2 zeros are 0 plus y is equals to 10. 0 plus y is equals to 10. If value of x is 0, then what do we get? Value of y as 10. If x is 0, then y is 10. Now, opposite to that. What is opposite? Y is 0. Let me assume the value of y as 0. 2x plus y is 0 is equals to 10. 2x plus 0 is 2x is equals to 10. X is equals to 10 by 2. 2 ones are 2 fives are. The value of x is 5. Now the value of y is 0. Then the value of x is 5. Now what are the coordinates of x comma y? The first coordinate x is 0 comma y is 10. Second coordinate x is 5. Y is 0. Any doubts? Any doubts still here? So, if you want to draw a first line, first equation, first line, second equation, second line. First equation, first line is 0, 6, then 6, 0. Second equation, 0, 10, 5, 0. Now, how to plot these values? They will give you the graph sheet. You don't need to worry. They may give you the, they will give you the graph sheet. In the graph sheet, how to plot these all values. In a single step, I will just conclude these steps. Dear students, observe here. One important point which I just wanted to highlight here. Yeah. See the values of y here. 6, 0. Look at to the values of y here. 10, 0. Correct? Here is 6, 0. Here is 10, 0. Which one is highest? Which value is highest? 10. Please keep this in your mind. Always we have to give the preference for y value, not x value. Don't give the preference for x, give the preference for y. In this both, compare both the equations of values of y. In that, which value of y is highest? ये दो y के वैल्यूज में कौन सी y की वैल्यू हाईएस्ट है उसके ऊपर तवज्जो दीजिए. कौन सा है वैल्यू ऑफ y हाईएस्ट? 10. Sure? Yeah. Now look at here how to plot the values for this. See here. Excuse me. Suppose this is your graph sheet. You may get n number of x-axis and n number of vertical lines. Now, keep your scale, keep your measuring scale here on this graph sheet, on this graph paper. Just check how many centimeters it is. Suppose the given measurement is 15 centimeters. How much? What is the space it is? 15 centimeter. Then divide half of it. Half of it means it is 7.5. We should not take decimal. We have to take an integer. So one side leaves 7, other side you lay 8 and draw a straight line. Draw this y-axis. Got it? It means from here to here, what distance we have? Understood? Here to here, it should be separate distance. Can you see this area? Can you see this area? This area should be half of this area. So we have to divide in equal size. So one side you can take 7 centimeter and other side you can take 8 centimeter. As you wish, draw a straight line. draw a straight line in the center. This we have considered exactly half and we have divided. And still more students, they may do this very big mistake. To draw x-axis also, what they will do, of this entire line, they will draw exact center x-axis. It is wrong. This method is wrong method. Please don't do this mistake. Don't draw x-axis exactly in the center line. I have said you people, this y-axis, you have to draw exactly in the center, but not x-axis in the center. Sure? Is this clear? Y-axis, draw exactly in the center, but x-axis, don't draw exactly in the center. Why? I'll let you know the reason behind this. Observe here. Now first, we plot, as I said, you y-axis. Let me say this is our graph sheet. This is a y-axis. Now let me indicate the lines. Which one was highest? The values of y? 10. Correct? Take 3 values more. Whichever the value of y you get, कौन सी भी value आंदे y की, जो भी नंबर रहेगा उससे 3 नंबर ज्यादा लीजिए. Take 3 values more. 13, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is 0. Where you get 0, draw your x-axis here. Where you will get 0, draw your x-axis on that point. Is this clear? Y-axis draw in a center, but x-axis don't draw in a center. See the values of y. जो भी value y की रहेगी उससे 3 values ज्यादा लीजिए and draw the value of y-axis. Sorry, draw x-axis over there. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, enough. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, enough. Here -1, -2, -3, whatever you may get, it's fine. This is y, and here we get y dash. This is x, and this is x dash. So this is very important. You have to write. If you get still more values here, space, you can write. If not, you can stop there itself. Did you understand your graph plane sheet? How you need to draw? How to draw x-axis and how to draw y-axis. And then you write the scale without fail. X-axis, 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. Then write y-axis, 1 unit is equals to 1 centimeter. So what is this unit? These units are these values. Can you see these values we have found, right? X value 0, y value 10. These are under units. Now what we have drawn this line? Graph sheet on the graph paper, that is in centimeter. On graph sheet we have centimeter scale. Here what we have written in the table, that is units. Now we are converting these units. Here 6 means I am taking this as 6 centimeter. Here if we get 1, I am taking that as 1 centimeter. Here if we get 2, I am taking that as 2 centimeter. That is called as 1 unit equals 1 centimeter. That's, now what is the first coordinate? What is the value of x? What is the value of x? 0. What is the value of y? 6. It means 0, comma 6. X is 0 here. The value of x is 0 here. Isn't it? X is 0 here. From 0 comes right where it meets 6 here. So this coordinate is 0, comma 6. Come near 0. X0 means come on x-axis, stand. Where y, if it is plus 6, go up. Minus 6 means come down. समझ में आया बेटा? x की वैल्यू 0, तो 0 के पास आके खड़े हो जाओ. x एक्सिस, ये x एक्सिस है ना. 0 बोले तो इधर आके खड़े हो जाओ. 1 बोले तो इधर आके खड़े हो जाओ. 2 बोले तो इधर आके खड़े हो जाओ. 2 इधर है. प्लस 6 बोले तो ऊपर जाओ. माइनस 6 बोले तो नीचे आओ. x1 टेक इट हियर. y is प्लस 3. 1 से ठीक 3 तक ऊपर जाओ. -3 ठीक 3 तक नीचे आओ. समझे? समझ में आया? x वैल्यू 3. 3 के पास आके खड़े हो जाओ. Stand at 3. Why 6? Why 6? तो एग्जैक्ट 6 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर जाओ. -3, एग्जैक्ट 3 सेंटीमीटर नीचे आओ. x की वैल्यू बोले तो x क्लेम के ऊपर जाके खड़े होना है. वी हैव टू गो एंड स्टैंड ऑन x एक्सिस. y की वैल्यू जो रहेगी 3 है तो 3 सेंटीमीटर ऊपर जाओ. -3 है तो -3 सेंटीमीटर नीचे आओ. समझ में ये बात? इज दिस क्लियर? गुड. अब इसमें 0,6 था तो x 0 के पास खड़े हो गए. 6 बोले तो एग्जैक्ट +6 ऊपर गए. दिस इज द कोऑर्डिनेट. देन व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट? 6,0. हाँ. So what is the value of x now here? 6. हमें 5 को रुकाए थे, राइट? We have stopped at 5. Then you write 6. x 6 के पास आके खड़े हो जाओ. Why 0? उसका मतलब क्या है? What does it mean? You no need to go anywhere. Stop there only. 0 means don't go anywhere. Understood? Are you getting my point? 6,0. x6 we came on 6. 0 we no need to go anywhere because this line is 0 line. This line is 0 line. That we call it as 6,0. Sure? Is this clear? Then take your scale. Actually I am drawing rough here, but accurately you will get once if you draw on a answer sheet, on a graph sheet. You will get the exact value. This is a rough scale which I am going to show it to you, which I am drawing. Then what you should do? Join this cross with this cross, or this coordinate with this coordinate by using a scale. Use your scale. Then join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Now this is a line which indicates equation. This indicates which equation? X plus y is equals to 6. Huh. Now one more question can be asked for you on the same question. They'll give you the graph and they'll ask you to write the equation of this graph for 1 mark. They'll give you this figure. Now what I'm showing you the figure here, same figure they will give you and they will ask you to write the equation of this line. Did you understood? Sure. So this set of question or this type of questions usually will be asked for CBSE board students. And also this time we can expect for state board also the same type of question. Think what to do to solve such type of sums. So this we'll discuss in scoring package. But right now we are focusing on passing package. They'll give you the equation, they will give you the line. देखो बेटा, line देखो ही, sorry, equation देखो ही तो line draw करें. By seeing the equation, we have drawn a line. But now they will give line and they will ask you to draw the equation for this. Or write the equation for this. Got it? Got it? Good. So this is a small question. Let me see. If you know how to do this, you can just comment after the end of this session. First equation, first line we have drawn. Now come back to second equation. What is the second equation? 0, 10. 0, 10. Where is 0? It's here. 10 means what we should do? What we should do to go for 10? This is 0. Standing on 0. Why is 10? Means we have to go straight. This coordinate is 0, 10. And then next coordinate 5, 0. Where is 5? It's here. 0. We should not go anywhere. Stop it here itself. That is 5, 0. Then what we should do? We have to join this coordinate with this coordinate. Is this clear? Now, most important step. Most of you will draw this much and they will conclude. You may get 3 marks for this. If you are going to stop it here. Sometimes 3.5 marks. Another half marks you may lose. Why you need to lose? What is the question? Solve graphically. It means that the equations which was given to you, that is x plus y is equals to 5, sorry, x plus y is equals to 6 and 2x plus y is equals to 10. To find this x and y, we use different methods, correct? Like substitution method, elimination method we used to do, and we get the value of x and y. But here the question was asked, by drawing a graph, find the value of x and y. Where is the answer? You understood my point? Here we need the answer. ग्राफ को तो प्लॉट कर दिए, अब इसका आंसर चाहिए मेरे को. We need the answer for this. How to find the answer? Very simple. How to find the answer? जहां पे ये दो लाइंस एक दूसरे के साथ मीट हो रहे हैं. Where they are meeting? Can you see this? They are meeting at this point. Where these both the lines are meeting with each other or intersecting with each other. On that point, what you should do is exactly draw a straight line on x-axis, exactly draw a straight line on y-axis. जहां पे वो मीट हो रहे हैं उधर पे exactly dotted line से नीचे आइए, या कहां पे मीट हो रहा है? x के लाइन पर 5 के पास मीट हो रहा है. It's meeting at 5. Can you see this? Can you see this? These both the intersecting lines exactly come down. It's meeting at 5. Once if it goes on y-axis, it is meeting on +1. Then you should conclude the answer that the value of x is +5 and the value of y is +1. So this is the final answer. X is 5 and y is 1. Any doubts? Is this clear? So this is how you need to plot the graph. First, whichever the equation you get, make a table x and y. Assume x, check what is y. Then assume y 0, then check what is x. Plot. Simple. अगर से x की वैल्यू 0 डाल रहे हैं, y की वैल्यू फ्रैक्शन आ रहा है, तब x की वैल्यू 0 मत लीजिए, 1 को ट्राई कीजिए. 1 भी नहीं आ रहा है, 2 को ट्राई कीजिए. 2 भी नहीं आ रहा है, 3 को ट्राई कीजिए. Please listen this logic. You plot x 0, you get y 1/2. You plot x1, assume you will may get -3/4 fraction. Then check with x2, you may get y -2. Then what you should do? Stop, because it's an integer. आपको इंटीजर है, स्टॉप कीजिए. सर कहां तक हमारे को लेकर जाना है इसी तरह से? दैट इज ऑल्सो ए क्वेश्चन. इट्स ए सिंपल लॉजिक. ट्राई द वैल्यू ऑफ x 1, sorry 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very rarely you may get this type of options. No need to worry. But still, to be in safer side, I am telling you how many values you should take. पहले आप 0 को ट्राई कीजिए, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 तक ट्राई कीजिए. 6, 7 डोंट गो. 5 तक भी अगर से आपको आंसर नहीं मिल रहा है, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द आंसर टिल 5 also, then try for -1, -2, -3. Definitely you will get the answer within these values. Try till 5. Still, if you are not getting, don't go for 6 and 7. Try for -1, -2. X value -1, x value -2. Substitute. Any doubts with the graphical method? No, sir. Sure? Clear? Yeah. Now just tell me the tabular values. That's enough for me. Later you people can try from your end. The second equation, the second question. 2x plus y is equals to 6. X plus y is equals to 4. What you should do? For first equation, table of x and y. Second equation, table of x and y. Correct? See here, 2x plus y equals 6. And here, x plus y is equals to 4. Assume x is 0. 2 into 0 plus y is equals to 6. 2 zeros are 0. 0 plus y, y is 6. X is 0, y is 6. Simple. Now y 0. Assume in this y 0. 2x plus 0 is equals to 6. 2x plus 0, 2x equals 6. X equals 6/2. X is equals to 3. 0, 3. Simple. Again here, x is 0 plus y 4. Then y is 4. X 0, y is 4. Assume y 0. X plus 0 equals 4. X plus 0 is x. X is equals to 4. Y 0, x is 4. Over. Plot the values. Within 2 minutes, you will get 4 marks. I have not taken even a single minute. I have not taken even 1 minute to do this calculation. Not even 1 minute required. Only just substitute x0, check what is y. Substitute y0, check what is x. You get two values. Is this difficult? Followed the step. Understood the tabular column. Now, how to draw y-axis? How to draw y-axis? Exact center. How to draw x-axis? See both the values of y. Highest 6. Take 3 values more. From 9 you start. Where you get 0, draw x-axis. Understood? Plot the value. x0, y6, 0, comma 6, 3, comma 0. Draw a line. Similarly, x0, y is 4, 0, comma 4, 4, 0. Then draw this line. Means you may get intersecting lines over there. Check the answer for that. Did you understood? Followed? Last one more question we'll try. X minus y is equals to 2. 2x plus y is equals to 7. Two tabular columns, xy, xy, first x minus y equals to, second equation 2x plus y equals 7. Assume x0, x0 minus y is equals to 2, 0 minus y equals to, actually we need a positive y, so we can shift minus to the other side, it becomes y is equals to minus 2, x0, y is minus 2. Did you understood this step calculation? How we did? We get minus y equals 2. We don't want minus y. We need plus y. So minus we have to shift to the other side. Or else multiply both the sides by minus. If you multiply both the sides by minus, minus into minus plus y, plus into minus, minus 2. Got it? Second equation, 2 into x is 0, plus y is equals to 7. 2 zeros are 0. Y equals 7. If x is 0, y is 7. Then check y. 2x plus y0 is equals to 7. Look at here. 2x plus 0, 2x is equals to 7. X equals 7 by 2. Fraction. We got a fraction, right? Then what we should do? We have to assume the value of y plus 1 in this equation. Can you see this? In this equation, we have to assume value of y plus 1. If we take 0, we are getting fraction. So we need integer. Then 2x plus y is 1 is equals to 7. 2x equals 7 plus 1 come to the other side minus 1. 2x equals 7 minus 1 6. X equals 6 by 2. Then x equals 3. 2 1s are 2 3s are. So y is 1. X is 3. Like this you have to find the values. Did you understood? We got fraction, so we tried with the next number. We tried with the next integer. Followed the step. Clear? Concept is clear? Sure. Understood how to plot the graph? How to solve the graphical method? So here we have concluded how many marks? 4 marks. So graphical method, you can expect a question for 4 marks. From the theorem 7 marks and from the graphical method 4 marks. So 7 plus 4 is 11 marks. Next, what we have to try to pass this board exam? Yeah, in a similar manner, you can just check your previous year papers questions at least. Okay, you may get from the SSlC official website the previous year board questions. You try with different other values, at least 5 to 6 sums, at least 5 to 6 other values you can just try how to plot the graph. So in case if you are confirmed with those questions, that is more than sufficient of your practice for graphical method. That's more than sufficient. Done. So we have concluded with 3 questions. Question number 1, triangles chapter theorem. Question number 2, circles chapter theorem. Question number 3, graphical method from the chapter pair of linear equations. Now we'll solve statistics. The next question you may expect from the chapter statistics. So here, my dear students, this is our question number 4 of passing package. Sometimes they may give you a choice question. Chances are there. One question they will give you on mean, or one question based on mode. Mean or mode. Or sometimes mean or median. Sometimes mode or median. Understood? You may get mean, mode and median. And I have seen certain teachers might have advised, see where you may go wrong, that also I'm pointing out here. Certain teachers have said, or they might have given you a hint to study in this manner. We have 3 topics, right? We have 3 topics: mean, mode and median. करेक्ट. हाँ, अब ये 3 टॉपिक्स में सजेशन ऐसा होकर भी रहेगा, कौन से भी एटलीस्ट 2 सीखो, तीसरा होना तो छोड़ दो. स्टडी एनी 2, लीव द थर्ड. At least be perfect with 2, because you will get choice. You will get choice. Out of 3, study any 2. Okay, for some extent it's correct. Even I agree. But still, I am not satisfied with that statement. Why? I'll tell you the proof. Sometimes mean they will give you a direct question. Mode they may give you set of indirect question. No, you have learned perfectly mode and median. But mode there is no direct question. The mode there is no direct question. They have given indirect question based on mode. We'll discuss which are the types of indirect questions also will come. No need to worry. But I'm just telling you. मीन नहीं सीखो ही, मोड और मीडियन सीखे थे. क्यों बोले थे? हमारे टीचर बोले थे सर कौन से थे भी 2 सीखो, मोड मीडियन अच्छा आता, लेकिन क्वेश्चन क्या है उसका आंसर मालूम नहीं. I don't know how to solve the given statement. I know the problem, but I don't know how to solve this problem. So this thing should not happen. For that purpose, my advice, please practice all the 3 to be in safer side. Because one, if they give twist also, one if they give you on application level also, one if they give you on understanding based also, understood. But the other one, definitely they will give you a straightforward question. So it's better focus on all the 3 types. Followed? Now I'll be showing you all the 3 types. No need to worry, because this is our passing package session itself, where we are going to have a pledge that this year not even one student of SSlC board exam will fail in maths. So this is the pledge. In case if they are going to follow this rule, make a note. Calculate the mean. Calculate the mean for the following grouped data. Calculate the mean for the following grouped data. Make a note. Class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Then the frequencies are 4, 6, 5, 4, 1. Class interval 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. And the frequencies are 4, 6, 5, 4, 1. Okay. Before solving this problem, first let me understand on the basic step. Initially, we have to follow and need to understand the basic step. So, they are asking us to find the mean. Good. Congrats. But I don't know the formula. Which one I need to use? Why? Because to find mean, we have three different methods. The first method is called as direct method. To find mean, mean is denoted by the symbol x bar. To find mean, we have summation of fi, xi by summation of fi. So this is the formula which we use to find the mean by using direct method. But here, to be in safer side, I am going to use this formula like this. Both are same. I will take it as sigma fx by n. Either you write f of integers or xi, or you write fx. Both are same. No need to get confused. N is nothing but summation of f. If you add all the frequencies, that is nothing but n. Both the formulas are one and the same. Don't get confused. Both are same. Sigma fx by n or sigma fi xi by sigma fi, both are one and the same. Don't get confused. So this is the formula when we use to find the mean by using direct method. Next, we have the formula to find the mean by using assumed mean method. To find the mean by using assumed mean method, the formula is x bar is equals to a plus summation of sigma fd by summation of fi. So this formula can also be written as x bar is equals to a plus sigma fd by n. These both are one and the same. Either you write small d or you write capital D, both are same. No need to get confused. D is nothing but deviation. D is nothing but deviation. So this is the formula when we use to find the mean by using assumed mean method. Childrens, later I'll tell you. First, let me complete this. Yeah. You understood the steps? Next, the third case, to find the mean, we have step deviation method. To find the mean by using step deviation method, we have the formula x bar equals a plus sigma fd by n into I. Sometimes we use I, sometimes we use C, sometimes we use H, all are one in the same. Because different publications has given different notations, symbols to identify this. Okay? Either you write I or you write C or you write H, all are same. Don't get confused. So this is the formula we use to find mean by using step deviation method. Now, congratulations. Why? In exam, chances are high they may ask you any formula in multiple choice. In multiple choice. To find the mean by using step deviation method of a group data, which among the given following options is correct. Be careful. Step 1. Step 2. Congratulations. To find mean, chances are very less, according to me, they will ask you to solve the mean by using step deviation method. They may ask you to find the mean sometimes by using direct method or by using assumed mean method. In question, if they ask you to find the mean by using assumed mean method, you have not seen this step. Mean, हाँ सर मुझे आता सर mean, अच्छा सिक्को हूँ सर. You have used direct method, you got a correct answer. But it's something like this. Sir, congratulations, operation success, but patient dead. That should not happen. मीन पूछे थे मीन करे बाजू वाले कोई पूछे आंसर कितना है आप नहीं बोले सर मीन उसका भी 12.5 मेरा भी 12.5 सर तुम्हें जैसा सीखा वही सर्च करे सर बहुत इजी था सर पेपर बाद एग्जाम के रिजल्ट के बाद सर मीन के अंदर मार्क्सिस दे रही नहीं They are not giving marks at all. To I have solved correct, but still they are not giving marks. Why? They have asked find the mean by using assume mean method. You have used direct method and you have done. So answer is wrong. Your answer is correct, but my answer is wrong. What I was expecting. अगर से आपको क्वेश्चन में ये देकर है फाइंड द मीन बाय यूजिंग डायरेक्ट मेथड, देन यूज डायरेक्ट मेथड ओनली. Assumed mean method, use assumed mean method only. Sir, they have not given anything, sir. Only they are asking find the mean. Then it is my choice. I am the king. I am the decision taker. As I wish, I will try any method. Go ahead. Congrats. Yeah. Is this clear? If they have not mentioned any method, then try any method. If they have given a particular method, then use that method only. But here, I'll show you both the methods, how to find the mean to be in safer side. I'll show you how to find the mean by using direct method and how to find the mean by using assumed mean method. Both the methods are very important. Followed? Understood? Sure? Confident? लॉक किया जाए. Yeah. So this session is recordable session. We are going to upload in our YouTube channel. Yeah. Observe you. First, to find the mean, we need the value scores, that is x. First, you find the midpoint of 10 to 20. We don't know. मुझे मालूम नहीं. I don't know. तो आपको क्या करना है? Simple. First number 10. Second, I mean last number 20. 10 to 20 is the range, right? Sorry. Add both 10 plus 20. 30. Whatever the number you get, divide by 2. 15. 15 is the midpoint. First and last add 10 plus 20, 30. 30 by 2, 15. Again, 20 plus 30 add 50. 50 by 2, 25. कर को बोल को पूरा ऐसा कर ले बैठना नहीं. We don't have that much time, sir. We don't have that much time to do this circus. 2 values enough. समझे? एक बड़ों की कहावत है बेटा, एक बंदर दूसरे बंदर को देख के कैसा करता है, तीसरा बंदर भी उसी तरह से करता है. समझे? एक बंदर दूसरे बंदर को देख के किस तरह करता है, तीसरा बंदर भी उसी तरह करता है. एक चरवा जब बकरों को चरा रहा था, एक बकरे को वो किस तरह से खींच के जा रहा है, तो पीछे जो भी बकरे आ रहे हैं उसको पता नहीं क्या है, वो जा रहा था, मैं भी उसे फॉलो किया, बस. हाँ, वी हैव टू डू दिस. 15 के बाद क्या आ रहा है? 25. 25 के बाद क्या आएगा? 35 के बाद, 45 के बाद, 55 के बाद. वो अभी नहीं करना है, वो पेपर 2 में करना. ये पेपर 1 में बस इतना सफिशिएंट है. Why? Because we have to end in this range. 50 to 60, the midpoint is 55. Why you want to try 65? Not required. Any doubts? But don't want paper 2. In paper 1 only, we'll pass. Okay. So the scores are 10 to 20, midpoint is 15. 20 to 30, 25. 30 to 40, 35. 40 to 50, 45. 50 to 60, 55. These all are the scores. And then we'll come back to frequency F. So what are the values of F? 4, 6, 5, 4, 1. It's something like dialing the number. Yeah. Earlier we are using keypad phones at that time. Yeah. If we click 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that. Okay. Old is good. ठीक है, बस आपको इतना ही करना है. You have to do only this much. Enough. Next, please write the formula below this table. Write the formula below this table. Mean, that is x bar. Here, let me assume, boys, let me assume which method we are using. Dear students, please don't forget to mention which method you are using in the exam. आप जो मेथड लिख रहे हैं या जो मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं, प्लीज मेंशन दैट मेथड नेम फॉर द एग्जामिनर. Sir, I am using this method, so that he will be clear cut to understand what you have done and what you are doing. First, mention the heading. Which method you are using? Direct method. So, in direct method, as I said you, we have using the formula summation of fx by n. देखो बेटा, अभी ये फॉर्मूला में क्या मिसिंग है, बस वही हमारे को फाइंड करना है. इन द फॉर्मूला व्हाट इज मिसिंग, दैट ओनली वी नीड टू फाइंड. अभी फॉर्मूला में क्या चाहिए हमारे को? समेशन ऑफ fx चाहिए और n चाहिए. उससे पहले क्या चाहिए? f इंटू एक्स चाहिए. करेक्ट. फर्स्ट लेट मी फाइंड f इंटू एक्स. 15 इंटू 4 60. 25 into 6 150. 35 into 5 175. 45 into 4 180. 55 into 1. This is f into x. Just we are multiplying the values of f with x. अभी हमारे को क्या चाहिए? fx नहीं चाहिए. We just don't want f into x. We want sigma fx. Sigma means what? Addition. We should add all fx. What is value? Quick.
620.
620. What is this 620? What is sigma fx? That is only n. Isn't it? Then? That is not n. That is only summation of fx. Sigma fx is 620. Then add all the values of f. Add all the values of f. What is this 20? Sigma f. What is sigma f? That is nothing but n. Any doubt? पहले f और x को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, fx मिल जाएंगे. पूरे fx को ऐड करो, सिग्मा fx. फिर पूरे f को ऐड करो, that is sigma f. Sigma f is n. Now just substitute here. What is sigma fx? Divided by, what is the value of n? 20. 0 0. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 1s are. What is mean? This is your final answer. This is the method is called as direct method, which we use to find the mean. Any doubts? Recording. Is this clear? Follow the step how to find the mean by using direct method. This is by using direct method. Now let me try one more method in case, who knows, if our luck is bad, we can't do anything. Correct? So to be in safer side, we have to learn everything. Yeah. Now we are using which method to find the mean? Assumed mean method. How to solve? Let's try. First again we have to write the values of scores. What are the values of scores? 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Then what are the values of frequencies are? 4, 5, 4. What are the values of frequencies? 4, 6, 4, 1. So these all are the frequencies. Okay. Once you do this much, then what is the next step? First write the formula. In formula, what is missing? That you find here. In the table, always we have to find only those values, the values which are मिसिंग, कौन से वैल्यूज मिस हो रहा है बस वही फाइंड करना है. दैट इज मीन x bar is equals to a plus sigma fd by n. Correct? Is this clear? Okay, I'll do one thing. See, I don't have space here, so I'm just writing here. You also don't write the next to the table. You have to write below to the table. Okay. A plus sigma fd by n. अभी हमारे को स्टेप बाय स्टेप क्या चाहिए. ए का मतलब क्या है? अज्यूम्ड मीन. What we should find? This is one more question. Sometimes they'll give you the table like this. X and F they'll give you, and they'll ask you to find the assumed mean. Choose the correct answer. Multiple choice. Find the assumed mean. How to find assumed mean? I'll give you one small hint. 2, 4, 6, 5. Okay. Some let me say 10. Just randomly I'm taking numbers. Actually, it won't come like this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It will come like this. Okay. So randomly I've taken some numbers. If we cancel first, cancel last. Cancel second from the last. What is left out in the middle? 6 is assumed mean. Is this clear? How to find assumed mean? Cancel first and last. Again second first, second last. Like this you cancel what it left out in the middle. That is your assumed mean. Next step. If the case is like this, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now 2, 4, 6, 8. Cancel first, cancel last. Again if we cancel this both the digits, nothing is left out. Then there is a tie. We cannot cancel them because nothing will be left out in case if we are going to cancel them. Among these both, which is highest? We have to assume mean is 6. Any doubts? Now come back to here. We have to find the assumed mean in this case. To find the assumed mean here, see the values of x. Look at to the values of x. Look at to the values of x table. Can you see this? Can you see here? Yeah. If we cancel 15, 55, 25, 45. What is left out? 35. So what is assumed mean? 35. 35. Sure? Sir. If you get confused, once again I'll show you. These are the values of x, right? Sir. 15, 55, 45, 25. Left out is middle term, 35. So assumed mean is 35. Clear? Clear? Then plus sigma fd. See children, we have f already. Can you see this? We have f values, no? f we have. अब देखो बेटा यहाँ क्या है? सिग्मा एफ डी है. हमारे पास ऑलरेडी एफ है, डी नहीं है. तो हमारे को क्या करना है? पहले डी को फाइंड करना है. डी मिल गया तो एफ और डी को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. एफ और डी को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए तो सबको ऐड करना है. सो दिस आर द स्टेप बाय स्टेप. दीज आर द स्टेप्स यू नीड टू फॉलो. डन. अब हमारे को क्या चाहिए? डी चाहिए. टू फाइंड डी वी हैव ए फॉर्मूला x माइनस ए. आपको क्या करना है? कहीं पे एक वर्किंग कॉलम ड्रॉ करना है इस तरह से. वर्किंग कॉलम ड्रॉ करने के बाद एक कैलकुलेशन इधर कीजिए, खाली मेन आंसर इधर पे लिखिए. डू वर्किंग हियर, मेन आंसर राइट हियर. हाउ? ऑब्जर्व यू. व्हाट इज x? क्विक. 15 माइनस ये 35. 15 माइनस 35. 15 में से 35 जाएगा. 15 में से 35 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं. कैन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 15 35? नो. नो मीन्स माइनस. 35 minus 15? 35 minus 15? 35 minus 15. Just you right. Tell me how much I'm asking. Understood? 15 में से 35 जाएगा? नहीं. So minus 35 minus 15, 20. So the final answer is minus 20. Any doubts? Is this clear? Similarly, next step, 25 minus 35. In 25, can we subtract 35? No. Minus 25 minus 35, 10. So answer is minus 10. Similarly, 35 minus 35, 0. 45 minus 35, 10. 55 minus 35, 20. Any doubts? Did you understood? Do the working separately. Only fill the final values here. We got the values of D. Now what is required? FD. F into D. What is F? 4. What is D? Minus 20. Plus into minus. Minus. 4 20s are 80. Plus into minus. Minus. 6 10s are 60. 5 zeros are 0. 4 10s are 40. 21s are 20. What is this? These all are the values of F into D. But here what is required? Summation of FD. Sigma FD is required. देखो बेटा अब इसको कैसा ऐड करना वेरी सिंपल फर्स्ट ऐड ऑल नेगेटिव सेपरेट then add all positives separate. All negatives. Minus 80, minus 60. If both are minus, it is minus only, but we should add. 8 plus 6, 140. Any doubts? Minus 80, minus 60 is minus 140. If both are minus, we should add minus remains same. Then add all positives separate. 40 plus 20, 60. 60 plus 0 is 60 only. Understood? Add all negatives separate, all add positives separate, then totaling you have to do. Add both together. So, in 60, can we subtract 140? In 60, can we subtract 140? No. No means minus. Then opposite calculation. 140 minus 60. 140 minus 60. I am asking 140 minus 60 how much? 80. Final answer is minus 80. See here. Here was minus 140 and 60. Highest number is minus. Positive is 60. In 60 we cannot subtract 140. So we should write minus. If you write minus here what happens? This minus will become plus and this plus will become minus. So 140 minus 60 is 80. Any doubts? What is this minus 80? This is sigma FD. What is this? Sigma FD. Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts still here? Sure. Did you understood how did we found sigma FD? How to find D? X minus A. We got D. F into D multiply. Add all the values of F into D. After this, what is sigma FD? Minus 80 divided by N. What is N? Sigma F. We should add all the values of F. 4 plus 6, 10, 15 plus 5, 20. What is this? Sigma F. That's nothing but N. That is 20. Then 35, 0, 0, get cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 8. Plus into minus, minus 4. 35 minus 4 is 31. So mean is 31. Is this clear? Either you do by actual method. Actual method means direct method. Actual method means direct method. Either you do by direct method or you do it by assumed mean method. You will get same answer. It's not like that you will get different answer. But only the problem is in case in examination, if they ask you a particular method, then you have to use that method only. If they don't ask any method, it's your wish. You can try with any method. So this is the completion of mean. Any doubts how to find mean?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts how to find mean? No, right? So we have shown and we have tried both the methods how to find the value of mean. Now let me find mode. Make a note of the next question. Yes, take down the next question. Calculate the mode. Calculate the mode For the following data, calculate the mode. For the following data, make a note. Class interval class interval 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 20 to 24. Frequency 73, 710, 12. Yeah. Now here we are going to calculate the modes. Class interval and frequencies are given 0 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 12, 12 to 16, 16 to 20, 20 to 24. And the frequencies are 7, 3, 7, 10, 1, 2. Now, step number 1. What we should do to solve this problem? You know what is that? Write the formula. Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay? Done? Okay. It's very easy. Very, very, very easy. Let me check. Formula लिख दिए हैं बेटा. We have written the formula. Now in this formula, what all the values are missing, that only we need to find. अब हमारे को पहले क्या चाहिए? L चाहिए. L का मतलब क्या है? Lower limit. Lower limit. How to find the lower limit? See the values of F, frequency. Frequency में कौन सा number highest है? Which number is highest in the frequency? 10. So this is F1. This is F1. F1 के सामने कौन है? That is F2. Highest number is F1. F1 के सामने, in front of F1, in front of F1, F2. Behind F1, F0. Because numbers will start from 0, 1, 2, right? अब हमें F1 आ चुका है, F2 आ चुका है. अब इसके पीछे क्या है? 0 है. 0 का मतलब F0. सिंपल. पहला नंबर 1, सेकेंड नंबर 2. 1 से पहले क्या आएगा? 0. Simple. So we got the values of F0, F1 and F2. Always first preference for highest number. Highest number is 10. अभी ये 10 का range क्या है? What is the range of 10 given here? 12 to 16. What is the range is given? 12 to 16. 12 to 16. 12 to 16 is the range, right? Yes or no? Haan, children, this is your 1 mark question. They'll give only this much table for 1 mark multiple choice. And they will ask you to find the value of L. Table is given, they are asking you to find the value of L. So what you should do? See the frequency, which number is highest. Upon that, what is the range? In this range, 12 is the L value and 16 is the U value. U means upper limit. Here we are not discussing upper limit. Here we are seeing only lower limit. What we are seeing? Lower limit. Now what is the lower limit? What is the range we got here? 12 to 16. This range is called as model class. For 1 mark they will ask you. 1 mark question. 1 mark question. They will give the table and they will ask you to find the model class. So what is the model class? How to find the model class? Look at the highest frequency value. Upon highest frequency, what is the range? That is model class. From the model class, we find the value of L. L is 12. Any doubts? बेटा समझ में आया? आया नहीं आया? मॉडल क्लास कैसा फाइंड करना समझ में आ गया? हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी वैल्यू अपॉन दैट रेंज, दैट इज मॉडल क्लास. वो रेंज में एल लोवेस्ट नंबर कौन है? दैट इज लोअर लिमिट. नाउ व्हाट इज एल? 12 प्लस F1 10 minus F0 7 divided by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Now, this is also 1 mark question. What is H? H is said called as size of the class interval. Size of class interval, that is H. What is size? Size of the class interval is 12 to 16. How many numbers are there? How many numbers are there from 12 to 16? Example I don't know. तो क्या करो, इसका ऑपोजिट सेपरेट करो. 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12 करो. 4. If you are confused between 12 to 16, how many numbers are there? Understood? What you do? 12 to 16 है नहीं, उसका सब्ट्रैक्शन करो. Highest minus lowest. Highest minus lowest. That is size of the class interval. कितने नंबर से मिल जाएंगे यार? समझ में आ बेटा? अबे 12 to 16 आया नहीं, इसमें 16 minus 12 करो. That is 4. Size of the class interval. Now 12 plus 10 minus 7, 3. 2 tens are 20. Minus 7 minus 1. If both are minus, we should put minus, but we should add. Into 4. Are you getting the steps? Is equals to 12 plus 3 by 20 minus 8. 12 into 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. 3 ones are 3 ones are. 12 plus 1, 13. So mode is 13. That's it. Understood how to find the mode? In this, what are the hidden questions for 1 mark? First question, 1 minute. In mean, what are the hidden questions? First question for 1 mark from the mean, formula. Second question, assumed mean. Find the assumed mean. And find the size of the class interval. Size of the class interval. Mode, modal class. And second is the value of L. The value of L. Concept is clear? Sure? Yes, students. Now, next, let me find how to find median. Make a note. Calculate the median. Calculate the median for the following grouped data. For the following grouped data, class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Then the frequencies are 2, 4, 8, 5, 1. Okay. Now this is the question to find the median. देखो बेटा, first what we should do? Simple. Write the class interval. This is a question. In answer sheet, when you write, you are supposed to write like this. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Class interval. Frequency 2, 4, 8, 5, 1. We have written this much. Am I right? Yeah. Next, what we should do to find the median? Here, to find median, now what we should do? Write the formula. Median is equals to L plus N by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into H. L plus N by 2 minus cumulative frequency by frequency into H. Now, first and foremost, before we could start solving this problem to find the median, first we have to find the cumulative frequency, CF. cumulative frequency. See children, what is the first number? Write it as it is, 2. Write this number as it is, 2. 2 plus 4. Can you see this? This number and this number we should add. First number as it is. First number as it is, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. Again, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 5, 19 plus 1. Any doubts? Now, whatever the values you have got of cumulative frequency, please do not forget to cross check whether your answer is right or wrong. How to cross check? Add all the values of f. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8, 14. Plus 5, 19. Plus 1, 20. It shows that this value and this value should match. If this both the values are same, then your answer is right. If these both the values are different, then your answer is wrong. Be careful. Please cross check before you could start solving the problem. Any doubts? First find the CF, cumulative frequency. Now what is this 20? What is 20? Sigma f. That is nothing but n. So first the value of n is 20. Do n by 2. That is 20 by 2. That is 10. Here we need the value of n by 2. What we need the value of? Which value we need? N by 2. What is n by 2? 10. अभी cumulative frequency जो है, can you see this? Can you see here cumulative frequency values? Yeah. Now look at here cumulative frequency values. In this cumulative frequency values, can you see here? Let me to shade. So that you'll understand. This one. Can you see now? This one. Now in this cumulative frequency, what is n by 2? What is n by 2? 10. Where is 10? You never get. But you will get in the range. Where 10 will come? 10 will come between 6 and 14. Where do we get 10? Between 6 and 14. Correct? Now which one is bigger number in this? 6 and 14. Which one is bigger? 14. 14 is bigger. In this range 14, we have a range. Can you see this? In this 14 cumulative frequency, 6 and 14, 14 is bigger number. ये जो भी बिगर नंबर है बेटा, ये लाइन में कौन सा रेंज है? ये रेंज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन. This range is called as median class. 20 to 30. 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन. ये रेंज को हम क्या बोलते हैं? मीडियन क्लास. ये रेंज कहां से मिला? n by 2 से. n by 2 कहां है? 10. 10 कहां पे है? 6 और 14 के बीच में. 6 और 14 के बीच में 10 आ रहा है. तो इसमें 6 and 14 में बड़ा नंबर 14. 14 के लाइन में कौन सा रेंज है? 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 what? Median class. In this 20 to 30, which is the lowest number? 20. Oh, yes, that is the value of L. That is the value of L. L is 20. Any doubts? Plus n by 2, 10. Minus CF. What is CF? See children. Here I'll just give you a small hint for your understanding. देखो बेटा, अब ये 14 है नहीं, ये 14 से आपको बस ये दो वैल्यूज लेना है. From this bigger number, you have to take L value and you have to take F value. अब ये जो lowest number है 6, from there you have to take the value of C. Yeah. Is this clear? From 6 and 14 was the range. From the 14, which are the values you have to take? You have to take the median class. From the median class, L value and F value. And 6 is there, right? From 6, you have to take cumulative frequency. समझे बेटा? 6 और 14 रेंज है. 6 cumulative frequency लेना है और 14 से क्या लेना है? Lower limit और frequency लेना है. Got it? Understood? L we took from 14 line. N by 2 is 10 minus CF. 6 by F 18 into H. Size of the class interval 30 minus 20. 10. Any doubts? H is 30 minus 20. Then that is equals to 20 plus 10 minus 6 by 8 into 10. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. That's nothing but 20 plus 1 5s are 5. 20 plus 5, that is 25. What is 25 here? Median. So here we have tried the problems based on all the three methods, that is mean, mode and median. And one more question, one more you can expect from this chapter, that is write the empirical relationship. Make a note. Write the empirical relationship between mean, mode and median. We have the formula, we have the empirical relationship between mean, mode and median, that is 3 median is equals to 1 mode plus 2 mean. So this is for 1 mark. So I have shown you where all you can expect 1 mark question, and where all, how and which are the order you may expect 3 mark question. Is this clear? In case if you get choice also from this chapter, one question they'll give you straightforward, or one more question, chances are there they may give you some application level question. But still, to be in safer side, if you are learning all these three methods, that is more than sufficient. Again, to check, to get and to practice more and more, please follow your previous year papers, model papers, state preparatory papers. Understood? Any set of question papers, from that just take the values, try to solve it. 5 6 sums you solve randomly, you choose 5 to 6 problems, you solve it. Get corrected with your teacher, or you make a friends group, solve all together. After solving all together, cross check your answers with your neighboring friend's answer. If all the answers are matching, then your answers are correct. So this is how we need to find the values of mean, mode and median. So here, for how many marks we have completed? 7 marks from the theorem we have done, 4 mark graph we have done, and 3 marks statistics we have done. Actually 4 mark we'll get, but I am taking from all the corners only minimum marks, not maximum marks. 3 plus 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 4 is 14 marks. So we have spent around 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes to learn for the first 14 marks. Got it? And my dear students, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe and share this video with your near and dear ones. So let they also try and get benefit out of these sessions. So here on, we'll be sharing you the sessions videos for passing and scoring in math for this academic year, SSLC and class 10 board exams. Take care, all the best. In our next session, we'll focus on the next part of this video. Take care, all the best.